guys, share ko lang sa inyo itong aking yoga mat na nabili sa isang closing out store sale. Today, mag-yoga kami sa work. We have yoga once a week after work. So, eksakto na yung store na nadaanan namin nung Sunday is on sale and meron silang yoga mat. And may bonus pa na water bottle. So, let's open it. Okay, this one is a Mana Yoga Exercise Mat and Bottle Set Deluxe Collection. So, ang mat size is 24 inches by 68 inches. 24 by 68. Tignan natin kung anong itsura kapag naka-spread out na siya. Guess I need scissor. I'm ready to go to work na, kaya kailangan buksan yung box. Para ayan. Maganda naman siya. Ang original price niya is $69. $69.99. And I got it for $28. $28. So it's good deal. I'm excited to see the yoga mat. Ayan. So, pwede siya i-roll ng ganito and then carry to work. So, bibitbitin ko siya ng ganito sa work today. Maingay yung mga anak ko naliligo. We're getting ready to go out. I'm gonna drop them off sa babysitter and then I'm gonna go to work. Hindi siya masyadong maamoy, like amoy plastic. Ayan. And you wanna see that? Sorry guys, I'm sitting on my ball. That's why I'm bouncing. I think it should look this way. Yan. There's the design. And I guess that's it. It looks nice. I like it. It's purple. I don't know if it doesn't look that purple in the camera, pero purple siya. Purple. Purple mat. Aking upuan. Yan. So, yan ang aking unboxing for today. Hindi po tayo sponsored ng Mana. I just bought this because they're on sale. And I'm sharing it with you. Because we have yoga after work today. So, yung design ng yoga mat, same as the design ng water bottle. So, it's all good. So, ayan po ang aking unboxing for today. Ang aking water bottle and the yoga mat kasi may yoga kami today sa work. So, ang raffle is every Saturday. Lahat ng comment na papasok sa video na to from today to Saturday ay ira-raffle ko sa Saturday. I'm going to post it Saturday night here in Canada. So, 3 ang bubunutin ko. Paparapol na ako every Saturday. All you have to do is comment on this video and lahat ng comment ay entry nyo para sa raffle sa Saturday. Ang premyo ay 1 oras ko para sa inyo. So, kung kailangan nyo ng oras para sa inyong channel, comment lang po kayo. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can win too. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.